Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's been 3 weeks since I last posted a video. So today, my video is about building a budget PC under $600. And right here is the budget PC. It took me around 3 weeks to collect all the parts. And where I get the parts from is from either Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. And what I highly suggest is take your time on haggling the price. And it took me 3 weeks to compile all the components to finish this budget build. Don't rush into buying components because I know you can get a really good deal. Just take your time and search for the right components. Now let's check this video out. So this case is a Thermaltake View 22. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. And this motherboard is a Z370 series Asus and Intel 8100 series CPU. Also from Facebook Marketplace for $130. And the RAM, I got this for $15 on Craigslist. The only thing that I bought that's not used on this table is that SSD. The SSD I actually bought it from Amazon for 20 bucks. I just want my memory to be brand new. That's just me. This graphic card is a 1080. I actually got a really good deal from this guy who just wanted to get rid of his card, and he sold for me for $225. It's a bargain. Even I'm assuming it maybe is a mining card, but you know what? For $225, I'll take the risk. I'm cool with that. And then I got this power supply on Craigslist for 50 bucks. So there you have it, the finished budget build under 600. So here I removed the printer and then put the new computer there. So here's some gameplay for you guys. So as you can see, it runs at 60 frame constant. Unfortunately, this monitor only runs at 60 frame max, but I know this can run at 100 frames per second easily because of the 1080 Ti.
So you guys can see the GPU is running at 70 degrees Celsius, which is normal for this GPU on this game. It may tend to run higher a little bit in different type of games as it requires more intense graphic. Overall, in my opinion, this is a solid budget build that lets you play majority of the popular games like Apex, Fortnite, League of Legends, Dota, Blackout from Black Ops, and so many other popular titles. Also, on the title of this video, we'll have all the parts and price that I purchased them for. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, and share this video. Thank you.